Hey, it's Julia.
And Madison.
And we made a video of us burping with soda, and the guy commented on it and said that we can't burp without soda.
And we're really nervous because this is our high-rated video.
Yeah, we have like so many views, like 60 hours. We have like 67, not 47. 47.
And that's a lot for us.
Okay. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I feel gross. Ugh. Thanks, you just messed it up. You're so much better without soda.
I'm waiting for you to.
I can't. I'm crying. What?
Burp one more time. Okay. Okay. Okay, but
That's just your point.
yep, and rate and comment on all of our videos.
And subscribe. So, thanks. Bye.